Hello everyone, I'm Terry and this is Blade Whisperer. On Blade Whisperer we'll be diving into the world of knives. If you are obsessed with a sharp edge and finding the perfect blade, you've come to the right place. On this channel I'll be bringing you in-depth reviews of a wide variety of knives, from everyday carry, bushcraft, and tactical blades to kitchen cutlery and beyond. We'll also be exploring the fascinating world of sharpening, testing out different stones, guided systems, and other tools to help you achieve the perfect edge at home. My goal is to provide honest, unbiased opinions and practical tests so that you can make informed decisions about your knife and sharpening purchases. I will be putting these tools and blades through their paces, showing you exactly how they perform in real-world scenarios. Expect to see unboxings, cutting comparisons, sharpening tutorials, maintenance tips, and maybe even some knife-related entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned collector, a culinary enthusiast, or just someone who wants a sharper pocket knife, I hope to provide valuable insights and entertainment. If this sounds like your kind of channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of the sharp new content. I'm excited to build a community of fellow knife enthusiasts, so please leave a comment below and let me know what kind of knives and sharpening equipment you're most interested in. In the next few videos, I'll be taking a look at some multi-purpose kitchen knives, a fixed blade knife that claims to be the ultimate, and a couple of sharpening solutions for those of you on a budget. Thanks for tuning in to the intro video of Blade Whisperer. I look forward to sharing my passion for blades with you all. Until next time, stay sharp and listen to what the blades are saying.